Shalom my friends. So I'm riding today and I'm using the Invictus bag which is a product of Sourabh Sathe which was given to me by my friend Dilip for testing on this trip to Uttarakhand that we are in. So I just like to tell you that this is a bag which is for large packing. So one is that I wanted to take my mountain shoes and some other stuff which I'll open and show it to you and unpack and explain to you why I have chosen this bag for this trip. Okay, so now so this is the bag and I wanted to share with you how to mount it. The mounting is very simple. It comes with 4 straps like this which has a loop at the end. So you just put it to the hook that is there to strap the bag, go through this and pull it up. Alright, it's that simple. Plus there are 4 buckles on the bag which you loop this into one end of the buckle, pull it down and tighten it to strap the bag. Releasing the bag is very simple. You lift both the buckles and the straps come loose. Okay, so I'll just demonstrate to you that you loop it through here, put it in through the hole and pull, and you have that. Okay, and I have already looped the rest because I don't want to waste our time showing you that. And the bag just comes and sits on it. It's got a nice backrest which you could use, so you could position it in such a way that it's heavy.
That's loaded.
It's really heavy. I think I've carried some stones from the Ganges as well. So I'm not too sure. Okay.
So just show this one how it goes in.
So just to show it to you, make sure that it is clear of the tail light or anything that is obstructive. Then you loop it in onto the first side like this. Pull it down below. Okay. And Bob's your uncle.
That's it.
To tighten it, just pull this and it is tightened. That's it.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
Now to secure it finally is what this is my style. I think after you using your own ways of tightening, you will find how to secure your bag the best way. So what I have done is that I have looped the 2 below my bracket. Okay, I have kept it closer to the edge because it gives me more space. So what I have done is that I have secured the back 2 straps, and now all that I need to do is pull. Okay, pull. So the bag is secured. You see that there is enough tension. Okay,
Here and there.
okay, so it's a little loose, so
Yeah.
tighten it up a little bit. Okay, that's good.
Tighten from the front.
Yeah. Okay, so now the most important thing to do is secure the Goa gel. Okay, so just loop it through. I had a very weird fall yesterday. I can't disclose the reason why I fell, but I had stopped the bike and the bike strangely fell on the road and onto the ditch, and it was
Wheels up.
the wheels up. Goa gel held, and the bag was strapped till I got
It got scratched a little bit over
a
here.
little
That's fine.
scratched here. Sorry.
The bike got scraped here.
Bike
Crash
got
bars.
scraped.
Yeah, this thing also.
Blockbuster
Cracked,
broke,
yeah.
so you can imagine the
But the
fall
wheels
that
were
it had.
up. The wheels were up.
The wheels were up and the
And-
bag held.
But the bike stayed. The bag stayed on the bike.
Bag stayed. So we just covered the top. Okay, as you see even by the marks of this, that the cover does
Yeah, the cover's a little short.
short. It's like
Cover's a little short.
maybe Saurabh has Goa in mind and he knows that everything in Goa is short.
So if this can come down, then
that has to come a little down.
it'll actually hold itself. It doesn't need to do anything else.
And a little bit of branding because it will go a long way, because I like to travel with my bag cover. I'm using a Motortech tank bag which I use the cover because of dust. Okay, I usually cover myself also with a raincoat because other my riding pants get this. So the last part of it is I just secure this with a bungee cord, okay, which is always on my right. So that's it. and one going right across, which is not really required, but you know, sometimes you do things for your mind rather than for the need of it. Okay, so here you go. And Bob's the
That's
answer.
it.
So we are ready to ride.
Let's go.
Okay,
Chalo.
let's go. Yeah. In conclusion, we are back home. I unloaded the bikes from Viaterra, and I'd like to tell you what's in the bag and the reason why the bag went on the trip instead of the Viaterra. Okay, so one, let me open it. This is got an emergency pouch. Emergency means you pack the bag, you're tired after packing the bag. You're very tired because it's like a workout. And then you suddenly figure out you've forgotten to put something in the bag. So just unzip, shove whatever you have inside, like I did with my leather glove, which I didn't need one. Okay. Now this is like a don't need bag. You know what? All that I have inside, I really don't need. But I will show you the effectivity of the bag. So you open the bag. I'm a big fan, and so is my friend Felix, of using these cubes. So I've got. Dilip, can you just show them in how the bag is packed?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's snugly fit. There are two cubes. There is a inhaler, steam inhaler, which by the way I never used.
Never used.
Okay, and this is the packing which I have, which I never used.
So all the stuff in that bag you
In this
never
bag,
used.
I never used.
Okay.
This is the cube which I used finally. So this with one cube, I did the whole trip of 16 days on the bike.
So this has got all your clothes and
My clothes is
Your
got two
thermals.
sets. It's got two sets of pants. Two long pants, one mountaineering pant and one regular pant, which turns into half. I'm a big fan of Decathlon, but if you see, it's packed loosely, so still more stuff could go in. So it's got everything that is needed. Okay, this has got everything that is not needed, and I've got a whole what I call is a hospital bag. This hospital bag is courtesy of my wife, my mom, and my kid.
no, that's a pharmacy.
Yeah, it's a hospital bag.
Hospital bag. Okay.
So pharmacy is small, hospital is big, no? So this is hospital bag. I have two of these. One is a small one, which is in the day pack. I use that. I never use this.
So all this you never used.
All this I never use. So I just keep all that I never use on one side. Okay. Then this is the inhaler.
This also you never used.
Yeah, this I
So
never
so
use.
do one thing. Keep all that you never used on the
On
side
one
over
side,
there.
yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that at the end.
Okay.
And the reason why this bag was needed for the trip was this
Shoes.
great Decathlon shoes. I just love these shoes, and I was told on this trip that we'll be reaching at 4:30 every evening, and that never happened. So 4:30 to
So you wanted to walk in those shoes.
so I wanted to walk in these shoes. Let me show you the shoes. I really love them. You get a higher range of this.
So
But this was my shoes to Iceland.
so these are the Quechua. Yeah,
These are the
Quechua.
Quechua,
Yeah.
okay, and they are really light and very good. But this was because I was cheated on this trip. I was told that we'll reach at 4:30, and I thought that I'll walk all around. Luckily, fortunately, one of my friends decided that he wanted to take a break, and that was the only day that I used them. So I used them once on the trip
Yamunotri.
at Yamuna.
Yamunotri.
Okay, I use a horse, but very little of walking, more the horse. Okay, but I just love the shoes, and I felt that part of me was in the shoes, so I needed to take them. Okay, so this, although I didn't really use, I used them once, but this was the reason why I went for this bag. Other the Viaterra would have just so I just keep as you have requested. Okay, and another thing what I like to tell you is that this bag is a complete make in India, using all Y2K zips all around. So it's a make in India product. It's a great product. So it's got a waterproof liner inside. Okay, and one thing what you need to do is
No,
that,
let's just repeat that. This entire product
yes,
is made in India.
it is made in India.
It's not imported from China or some other place. This is made in
It is
India.
made in India, and it is a very unique design. I think it's a very unique Indian design, because this bag is very Indian. If you see this bag all around, it's got one place which I had taken a coffee mug that incidentally also for 16 days my friend didn't allow me to use.
Coffee flask.
Coffee flask. Yeah. I used it in the car.
No. Let's be clear. Your friend advised you not to take it.
Yeah, but I wanted to take it.
You said that you would use it and then you never used it.
No, I was not allowed to use. There's a difference. There's a difference.
Okay.
Okay, so I had a coffee mug on one end and I had my slippers on one end. This of course is the emergency bag. It has got a warning spray and some accidental repair kit, human accidental repair kit. Here is the mechanical repair kit. One side I have my tools, one side I have the spares. Okay, this I have all knickknacks. This also I never used. I got an additional bag and stuff like that. So then again, this is built totally in India. It's a very Indianized design where you carry your water, or you carry your flask, you carry Goa Jal, which is
Goa Jal,
over.
yeah.
Okay, so we had a celebration and
So just
let go of that
just
Goa
to be
Jal.
clear,
Yeah.
I did not carry any alcohol in my Viaterra Raptor because we had a 5-liter can here of Urak, and we consumed all the 5 liters in the trip.
This is part of my Aspida jacket, which is a raincoat and a small down jacket.
And more important question: did you use it?
Obviously not. This is all part of the kit that I didn't use. All in all, I feel for somebody who would like to travel, maybe he and his wife, which I intend to.
No, for two-up riding,
For
this
two-up
is
riding, I
perfect.
think
You
this is
have to
perfect.
have something like this
You have
way.
to have something. So this is how it is packed. It's nicely packed. I'll just open it so that you guys have a short view. So everything is packed neatly in with the help of the towel. The towel holds it together. So you see there's one long pant, 2 long pants. There are 3 day shirts, one thermal, okay,
And underwear.
and this I got also a beanie. So this is all that I used after the first 3 days. Then I segregated between my entire pack and this and of course, but these bags are good. I really like these cubes. So you get them on Amazon.
Okay. Excellent.
So I would just like to thank
Sourabh.
Sourabh for making such a fantastic product. It's made in India. It's made for Indians. It's got us at heart, and he knows exactly what is required based on the environment here. I hope and wish him all the best with this product.